The point number 9. Look at your relationship in an objective manner. If you still have any relationship that is bothering you, practice appreciation and gratitude and unconditional love and forgiveness and start enjoying life to the fullest. Learn to relate with people without any expectations. A very beautiful point. All Grahasthi Kriya Yogis, householders, life means networking with people. We are in the network of relationships. And if some relationship is bothering you, it will disturb your life. If there is a negativity in relationship, that negativity will definitely bother you. Say for example, a nail pricks in your big toe. There will be pain. If you don't give attention, there will be pus formation. It will bother you more. The mechanism of pain at the physical level is a wonderful mechanism given to us by nature that invites our attention to the trouble. If the nail pricks and if there is no pain, you will have big trouble. The mechanism of pain is a very beautiful thing. It invites your attention, so you remove that foreign body. We all understand how it works. Now this is an analogy. There is something else, much more subtler. When you have negativity in relationship, which means there is something which is bothering you, life is shouting at you, that relationship is shouting at you that please give me attention, please give me attention. That is what is the negativity in relationship. But you avoid that, you don't give your attention there, and that is how the further worsening of the relationship happens. If you give attention to that, it can be cured. Like physiological pain mechanism is to invite your attention. Similarly, the psychological grief is also to invite your attention. The basics are same. Because you don't give attention, that's why the relationship troubles are there. Any issue can be sorted out with loving communication, open-hearted communication. But people who don't have right attitude, they don't even come for communication. And that is the trouble, which means something wrong. If any relationship, if any trouble is there, both the persons should be willing to communicate. If you cut off the communication, the solution is not there. But if you sit down and have an open-hearted discussion, be willing to be flexible, be willing to give and take, be willing to negotiate on certain points and settle, relationship is possible. But those who are not good at communication, or even if they are good, they cut off from the communication, then the solution is not possible.